Today, I'm going to teach you how to permanently delete email without recovery in Outlook. This is particularly useful when you need to ensure sensitive information is completely removed from your account with no possibility of retrieval. Let's walk through this process step by step. First, you'll want to start by opening your Microsoft Outlook app. Once it launches, go ahead and log into your account using your credentials. This will load all your emails and give you access to the folders and tools we'll need for this task. Make sure everything has fully loaded before moving to the next step, as Outlook sometimes takes a moment to sync all your data. Now that your emails are loaded, we need to access a specific menu that handles permanent deletion. Navigate to the top part of your screen where all your tools and menus are located. You'll see several tabs up there, and you want to click on the one labeled Folder. This tab contains various folder management options that aren't immediately visible in the standard view. Under the Folder tab, look carefully for the Recover Deleted Items button. You'll find this button within the Cleanup section of the ribbon. It might seem counterintuitive that we're using a recovery feature to permanently delete items, but this is actually where Outlook gives you access to emails that have already been deleted once. Click on Recover Deleted Items to proceed. A new window will appear showing you the Recover Deleted Items interface. This window displays emails that are still technically recoverable even after being deleted from your regular folders. Browse through this list and locate the specific email you wish to permanently delete. Once you've found it, click on it to select it. Here's the crucial part. At the bottom of this window, you'll see an option called Purge Selected Items. This is the feature that makes the deletion permanent and irreversible. Click on Purge Selected Items and the system will prompt you for confirmation. Finally, click on OK to complete the permanent deletion. And that's it. The selected email has now been permanently removed from your Outlook account with no possibility of recovery. This method ensures that sensitive or unwanted emails are completely erased from the system. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.